Hello everyone, welcome to Red Potato Kitchen. Today we're going to cook sesame oil chicken. For those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below. Without wasting more time, come, let me show you how to prepare this dish. Okay, first what you need to do is you need to marinate the chicken. You need to marinate the chicken using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And then you need to mix them together and put them aside for at least 20 minutes. Next, what you need to do is you need to skin off the gingers. After that, you need to cut the ginger into stripes. Okay, after you're done with the ginger, next thing you need to do is you need to mince the garlic. Next, you heat the wok with the medium heat. You pour in the sesame oil. Okay, after the oil is hot enough, you put in all the ginger inside the wok. Stir fry them for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, when you stir fry the ginger and you feel like it is a bit dry, you can add in more sesame oil. When the ginger becomes slightly golden brown, you push them a bit to the side of the wok and put in the minced garlic. Saute the garlic until it becomes light golden brown. And then you put all the marinated chicken into the wok. Stir fry the chicken until they are mixed well with the ginger. You need to keep stirring for about 5 minutes. Next, you add in some water to make some gravy. And then you put in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Stir them again until they are well mixed. And then you need to simmer them and cover the wok with a lid.
Few moments later.
Open the lid and stir them again to avoid burning. Close it again and let them simmer. You also can add some water if you like more gravy. After about 5 minutes, you can taste the gravy. You can add some more soy sauce to suit your taste. After you're satisfied with the taste, and then it is done. Okay, that's all for today's episode. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye!